niece, and today we are going to be doing a chocolate bundt cake.
And first you need to wash your hands.
So basically, we were supposed to add 3/4 of a cup of water, which we already did, and 1/3 cup vegetable oil, which we already added. Now we need to add 3 eggs. So, wait. Okay. First, so we got that one out. Now Dash is going to break it. Wait, you have to crack it more. Crack it more. Good job. Wait.
It's yellow.
Okay. So. So after we put the 3 eggs in, it's saying we have to preheat our oven to 350, which we already did, and now we have to
blend it.
So mix it. Okay, so now that we mixed it and it's in a good moisture kind of batter, we have this bundt, and my mom basically already buttered it, greased it, whatever you want to call it, and now we have to put the batter, whatever, the cake mix, I guess you could call it, around this whole entire thing without getting it in the hole. So I put the cake in the oven, and the box said that it will last to 23 to 25 minutes. But please, if you are a child or anything, please have a supervision parent or guardian there with you when you're handling heat or knives for whatever reason.
Ta-da!
So now, since we took it out of the oven, we are going to be letting it cool off, and then we are going to frost it. So stay tuned for that part. So I'm back. So my sister decided to not be part of it anymore. So now we're going to frost it with dark chocolate. I don't know how to taste, but we're gonna try it. Okay. So. Okay, so I only did half of the chocolate because I don't really care for chocolate on chocolate. But this is a cool, fun thing to do with your family while we were in shelter at place, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is the final, like whatever you want to call it, cake. And thank you for watching.